when I get the lens ready to go and I'm ready to call them, I'll scan this with the camera, and that will start my phone call to my LenZ conference. So this is the camera that Techline sees through. So anything we're showing them, the connector or whatever it is, this is what they're looking through, and this is what we adjust for them to get better visuals. Inside here, it's like a little TV basically. You get to see everything Techline wants to show you. If I have an issue on my end that I can't figure out, they actually get to go into great detail with me of either what I'm misunderstanding or more what's wrong with the car. If I get a better understanding from Nissan or Techline, then that transpires directly to the customer because now their car is fixed correctly. The best part about it is being efficient, right? Being efficient, fixing the car right the first time, not having to worry about it coming back or second guessing myself. You know, that goes a long way in getting our cars out of the shop and fixed right the first time and, you know, just moving on.